god. That's my windscreen. Oh my god. Alright, well, today I was trying to make just a normal video trying to diagnose the issue I'm having with my 1290. And it turned into an almost complete disaster. I mean, it was a pretty big disaster still, but it could have been a whole lot worse. So now I'm making a video talking about why everybody should have one, if not two of these in your workshop, your garage, your kitchen, anywhere where there's a potential for fire, because this $20 fire extinguisher just saved me from thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in damage. So I was in the middle of removing my gas tank off the 1290, and I had closed the right side fuel shut-off valve. And I didn't think, for some reason I was thinking the left side was on its own hose, and I just didn't close it. And so when I popped the fuel line off, I know normally a little bit of fuel drains out. Well, I had a rag prepared for it. Well, it just kept pouring. Well, in the process of me trying to figure out why it was still pouring and just holding my finger over it, I had also forgot to shut off my propane heater. Alright, if you're wondering why I'm smiling and laughing right here, just want to clarify that, like, I'm still in shock, and I'm just sitting here thinking about how stupid I am for what just happened, but also how lucky I am that it didn't get worse, that it wasn't no worse than it was. Alright, just want to clarify that. So the propane heater ignited the fuel, and I'll just let you watch the video. Okay, so in my defense, I always kill that heater whenever I mess with gas. I forgot I'm making this damn video. Let me wipe the lens off here. The 1290 appears to be fine. I don't see, besides this, I just know that hard wire cover is burnt. And that did have gas on it. So I guess we'll find out if that still works. Oh, crap, the connector's gone. The other end of it. That's probably salvageable. Dang. This fuel line's still alright. Got singed a little. God. Everything else seems to be fine. Increase my electric tape a little bit for the side stand. Safety switch. Don't use those around gasoline, but always have one of those in your shed or your garage or wherever you're working on stuff. Your kitchen. Holy cow. I bought that thing thinking I would never use it, because you don't want to use stuff like that. Holy cow. I was like 2 seconds from just bolting it and calling the fire department. And then I just happened to remember I got a fire extinguisher bolted to that back wall. And unlike Trevor Jacobs saying that he always flies with a parachute, you can literally check every single one of my videos. I always have that fire extinguisher back there. I've had it there for probably a little over a year now, if I had to guess. Oh my god, I'm glad Truck Enterprise had those on sale, and I just happened to be in there and decided to just spontaneously buy a couple fire extinguishers. But still, like I said at the beginning, it could have been a whole lot worse. I could have lost the 1290, my Elite, my 86 Elite, all my tools, all the stuff inside my shed, and potentially the house. Who knows? I mean, this is just a shed. Could have been a whole lot worse. Alright, well, just something to consider. I know from now on, I'm going to have a new fire extinguisher up on this back wall, and I'm going to have another fire extinguisher up on the front, just so next time, hopefully there's not a next time, but if there is a next time, hopefully I won't have to dive over the flames just to get to the fire extinguisher. Alright, well, see y'all on the next one. Ciao!